Yo, what is absolutely Gucci, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be adjusting my chain on my Daytona because it is really bad. Like, really bad. I just measured it using this Motion Pro slack setter. I'll show you guys how I checked it real quick. So real quick, I found the middle point of my swing arm, which is right here. Inserted this in. Push the tool up. Of course, I have to make sure that this top part is touching my swing arm, because if not, I'm going to get the wrong measurements. And this here, it's good. All right, and then I just push down on this and it won't go down anymore. So then now I can check my slack, which is like 54, 53. So it's really bad. And per the owner's manual, it calls for between 28 and 38. So I'm really way off. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the chain. First thing I'm gonna need to do, untighten this bolt right here, which is, I'm pretty sure is a 27 millimeter. And then I need to get 2 wrenches, untighten these 2 on the other side as well. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so lefty loosey. Let me see if I can do this without a breaker bar. Yay. Usually I need a breaker bar for this, but this time I don't. I'm happy about that. So I just want to get it loosened up until I can move it with my fingers. Actually, no, that should be good, because I don't want it popping out. Now I need, I believe, a 12 and a 13 socket wrench. Sorry, not a socket wrench, a 12 and a 13 wrench. So let's see. Let me measure it first. 13. All right, so the left one is a 13, and then the right one should be a 12. Yep, 12. Boom and boom. On the right side, lefty loosey, I want to go up. There we go. And be very gentle with these, because if you mess it up, man, you're gonna be in a world of trouble. Now, as you can see, there's like a little gap right there. I need to push my tire in so I can fill that gap. Yeah, usually it happens when you change your tire and then you don't, what's it called, pretty much don't tap it in all the way in. All right, if I want to tighten my chain, what I want to do is on the left side go up and then down. So I did that twice on the left side, and I need to do the same thing on the right side. On this right side, I'm gonna go down and up, and then down and up, because that's righty-tighty. Now it's very important to get both sides as equal as possible, because you want your chain to be aligned. You want to be straight, especially because you don't want your suspension messing up. All right, now I'm going to check the chain slack again. So again, my owner's manual stated that it needs to be between 28 and 38. Okay, as of now is at 36, 37. I need to adjust a little bit more. That is 33. All right, so I'm actually going to leave it like that. All right, so I'm going to leave it at 33 only because it will get tight once you like get it on the ground. Also, it must be noted that there are notches right here. As you can see, the little holes. Make sure that it's the same on the other side as well, because then that's how you know both your swing arm is equal. All right, make sure you don't over tighten this one bolt here on the right side, and also on the other side as well, because you do not want to end up stripping that. And of course, you want to go up for righty-tighty. Hold this in place, go up. And then lastly, you want to lock, tighten this bolt. And this lock nut here does call for 81 feet-pounds of torque. I actually ordered my torque wrench a couple weeks ago. I'm still waiting on it, but I've done this so many times that I kind of know when it should be locked good enough. All right, y'all. If you guys made it to the end of the video, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. See you guys in a bit, man. Peace out.
Come up with JJ, come up.